I built an insane team of cosplayers here at Con Culture. I myself, however, haven't cosplayed in years. I chose instead to focus on spotlighting the amazing cosplayers in this community. I've had so much fun meeting all of you and seeing all of your work. I've even had the awesome opportunity to meet some huge creators in the cosplay space. All of this has inspired me to get back into cosplay, but I wanted to inspire others the same way everyone has inspired me. So I'm not just getting back into cosplay, I'm actually creating a cosplay series about how to cosplay. I'll be learning all types of techniques to craft future cosplays that you'll see me wearing. I want to make it as comprehensive of a guide as possible. Since I have access to literal award-winning cosplayers in my friend group, I'll be learning all kinds of techniques in the cosplays that are to come. So follow along if you want to learn how to cosplay or you're just curious to see my journey. For my first cosplay back, I have no money and no time, hence why I'm shooting this in a closet as I pack for San Diego Comic-Con. The only option with the time I have is a closet cosplay. And who better to cosplay than my favorite superhero's alter ego, Clark Kent. Now I don't have a white shirt, so I'll be wearing a gray button-up with my Superman shirt underneath and nothing but a pair of jeans and glasses to complete the look. Now, is this the perfect Clark Kent cosplay? No, but I'm still excited to suit up with my Con Culture team for San Diego Comic-Con. Now, closet cosplay is by far the easiest way to dive into cosplay. You simply take items you already have to try to complete the look of the character that you want to cosplay. And it doesn't have to be perfect or screen accurate. As the wise Knightmage once said, cosplay is just your fan art. So craft the look you can, get out there, and have fun. Now, I gotta go finish packing.
So we made it back to Sunset Cliffs and we brought some friends. Taking time to soak in the sunset and listening to the sounds of the ocean. Even though we hate the beach. We hate sand, not much for the beach, but when you have views like this, I mean, even we sand-hating people could take time to appreciate it.
Well,
so
we came the last time and didn't make it to sunset because it was like an hour out.
We came too early
So
and
we
got tired of
came
the
back.
sand, so we came back for sunset this time.
So I did it. I did a closet cosplay and had an absolute blast with my team. We partnered with a nice little restaurant in San Diego named Armonia. We shot some content in cosplay for them and had an absolute blast doing it. After that, I got to take my closet cosplay onto the San Diego Comic-Con floor, but forgot to put my glasses on for the cosplay, and that's okay. The cosplay doesn't have to be perfect for you to enjoy it. I loved how I felt as Clark Kent, and I found several instances throughout the day where I was living up to the cosplay. Whether it was kind conversations on the floor or giving my seat to a tired old man. It just hit different doing those things in a Clark Kent cosplay. So I'm excited for my next cosplay and excited to continue this journey. I already know what my next video and my next cosplay are gonna be, so be sure to subscribe to see that. In this video, I showed you that you can cosplay for free with things you already have. It doesn't have to be screen accurate or it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do the best you can with what you have and have fun doing it. Now in the next video, I'll be making an entirely new cosplay for under $100, so keep a lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, you're amazing, I love you, and I'm proud of you.